Welcome back. This is Adventures with Dr. Joe. I've got a slick trick here on how to place magnets into 3D printed parts. Basically, if we had an arbor press, that would be the ideal thing, but we can use a drill press with one of these pin punches. Let's take a look. So we've got two 3D printed parts I want to put these magnets in. So I can select one of these pin punches that has a nice diameter, and we'll put it in the drill press, be able to line it up so it goes in perfectly perpendicular. Let's do that. So literally I'm just chucking it into the drill press. We're going to mount the magnet to it and put it into place. The magnet sticks to the pin punch. We can line it up perfectly and it's going to go in perpendicular. There it is. Let's do this one now. Don't put it in too deep because it has to be pretty superficial so the other magnet can be effective with it. Something like that. That's ideal. But see how simple that is? So that was just a quick example on how to put magnets into 3D printed parts. If this was helpful, please click thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Thank you.